What's up, guys? This is Wong Kubini Entertainer. Today, kinale manji. And today we're gonna take rolling shots of the car. So I've never seen how my car looks when I'm driving on the road and when I'm going up and down. So just gonna drive around and Manji is gonna do the shooting. So today I'm gonna get shot driving. Understand? Not shot, yeah, do. But yeah, let's do this. So Tswetswana is the order of the day.
Head north. In 300 meters, turn right. Turn right. turn left, then turn left.
So yeah, guys, that's just how the ride was. So most of you people, I know, I didn't know that you enjoy. This is the feeling you get when Tswetswana comes by. Huh? I didn't know this is the feeling you get when Tswetswana does. Yeah. Yeah, you're graced with all that joy of it. I didn't come up with that plan. It was Manchi's plan. So Manchi said, man, have you ever seen how your car really looks when you drive it? And then I was like, nah, man, I don't know how it looks, and I'll probably never know because I'm always in the driver's seat. I'll never give it to anyone else to drive. So yeah, but then he's like, okay, you're not gonna drive, and I'm gonna follow you around, and we'll have rolling shots. And we did exactly that. And I must say, it was fun. It was really, 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 really fun. You need a person like Manchi to just come and say, man, I just want to show you what we see. You understand? All of you guys who never thought of this thing. You never thought of this thing. You wanted to see my car alone. Eh? You wanted to see Tswetswana alone. Eh? Just kidding, guys. But yeah, it was fun. When we were shooting, I didn't understand. I was like, he kept on saying, come this side, go further, stop, accelerate. You know, all those director things. But then, in the end, now I see that it was really worth a shot. So, whew. Let me tell you something about me. I would have this vision if it was someone's car. You understand? If it was someone's car, I would be like, bruh, can you please accelerate? Please, let's have rolling shots. Let's do this and that. But I never see it when it's my turn. You understand? I never see it when it's my time to do it. But yeah, man, I ended up doing it, and it's so cool. Guys, I feel like my car outside, it's proper. It's very proper now. I'm done with checking the car outside. Come on. This external mods, guys. Yeah. Maybe sunroof nyana, yeah. But external mods, guys, come on. I've outdone myself. I don't want to spend any more for external mods. I am done. Now I'm gonna go inside. Like, the interior of my car doesn't match the exterior. You understand? So now I'm gonna move to the interior of this car. And see, let me go show you what's going on inside there. We go show you. You see what is going on in here? See what is going on? You see what is going on in here? You see? Look at the seats. Look at this. Look. You see, the interior doesn't match the exterior. So this is what we have. But then I'm gonna start working.